as promised, the cellulite, how to use it and what it's good for. Once you get your cellulite, you'll have the tool, the teeth that are going to get in there and massage all those fat cells and cellulite problem areas. You'll have your charger, and of course you'll have your cream. This is the Firm and Lean TEI Spa Cellulite Cream. It's really simple to put together. You have this little area that goes into this area. All done. I really like that it's detachable because you can take it off and clean it if you're using any types of scrubs or other firming lotions, or you want to use it on clients. It's really easy. Comes off, goes back on. That's it. Press and hold. And we're live. Done. Clearly I have my Today is About Me headband on. And we're going to use this firming cream on Lord knows which area I want to use it on. I think just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to use it on the underarm and maybe a little bit on the belly. It smells good. You can really use this in any area that you kind of specifically want to work on. Great for the legs, especially if you're just laying around watching TV. All right, I think that's good. I'll put the excess on my belly. All right. Oh, that's attractive. Get in there, cellulite. So we'll do this for about 5 minutes on this direction and at this speed. Switch it. So the point is, you can use the cellulite standing up, reading a book, having a mask on your face. Sometimes I'll do that. I'll leave my mask on for like 15 minutes, use the cellulite while it's on, and then I'm done. It's a great tool to have, and the firming lotion is a must. That's it for today, guys. Next up, we're talking about TEI Spa's Oho Renew. So see you guys next time.